People of Tulsa plan a rally to woo Tesla to pick Tulsa as the place location for its Cybertruck Terafactory, and also Tulsa's mayor promises to buy Cybertrucks for the police department if Tesla relocates to Oklahoma. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com reporting Tesla and electric car stories daily on this channel. I have been speaking about Tesla moving to Texas almost every day because there are lots of sources reporting that and indicating towards Tesla's hearts warming up toward Texas, especially a specific location in Haro, Texas, outside of Austin. But now I want to speak a little bit about Tulsa and what is happening there and what people are doing there, because an official announcement, while we're expecting to come about Texas, an official announcement from Tesla has not come yet, and apparently an official announcement hasn't been made yet, probably, and I don't know. I just report what our sources send us, so this is why I may say something that may seem to contradict the report that I said earlier today or last week about Tesla's things happening at Haro, Texas, in outside of Austin. But so Tulsans plan rally to woo Tesla to pick up Tulsa. You know that Tulsa and Austin have been selected as finalists for Tesla's Cybertruck Terafactory. And now people in Tulsa are calling all Tesla owners in Tulsa. With the recent news that Tulsa is on the list for the next Gigafactory, the Tesla Owners Club of Oklahoma, called TOCO, Tesla Owners Club of Oklahoma, so let's say TOCO, announced 2 events on their Facebook page. TOCO is shooting a Tulsa for Tesla video showcasing all of Tulsa's iconic landmarks. The shoot will visit landmarks ranging from BOK Center to Route 66 and from downtown Tulsa to the Golden Driller. TOCO, Tesla Owners Club of Oklahoma, hopes to involve around 10 Tesla vehicles that can drive by nearly 20 iconic landmarks. Tesla owners of Oklahoma prefers the vehicles are the same color and model. Of course, this will earn more attention. Interested participants can fill out a form for their chance to be a part of the Tulsa for Tesla video shoot. In fact, I will have the links of all these things that I mentioned in the description of this video. So if you are from Tulsa or interested to see, you're welcome to use the links that I put in the description of this video report. A second event is in the works also, TOCO said in a Facebook post. The details have not been announced yet. However, TOCO said they will be welcoming executives from Tesla and possibly Elon Musk to Oklahoma via Riverside Drive. Interested members can fill another form in the no section for the second event in that place. All interested members from the first event will be included in the notification of the second event, said TOCO. Now you can, like I said, I will have the links of those links in the description of this video. And now I want to talk about the Tulsa mayor promising to buy Cybertrucks for the police department if Tesla relocates to Oklahoma. You know that Tesla that is looking for to find a location to build its, I think now they're calling it Terafactory because it's going to be huge. Terafactory versus Gigafactory. The primary goal of that is to build the Tesla Cybertruck, Tesla's electric pickup truck. Now Tulsa is saying that Cybercups could soon be reality in Green Country, sort of. That's because the mayor of Tulsa, Oklahoma, wants to buy a fleet of Cybertrucks for his police department if Tesla chooses the city as the location for its next Gigafactory. An interesting way to entice Tesla to come to Tulsa, right? Days after it was reported that Tulsa is a finalist for for the automaker's third U.S. factory, Mayor G.T. Barnum decided to go on the offensive, reports Yahoo Live. Taking to Twitter, the politician posted a rendering of the eagerly anticipated electric pickup done up like one of its city's police department police cars. Barnum suggested in the tweet that if Tesla would invest in Tulsa, the city would do the same. Here's what he wrote. If Tesla and Tulsa team up to change the world, it would only be right to buy local, quote unquote, buy local, he tweeted. He also tagged the company's Twitter-obsessed CEO Elon Musk. So buy local means that if Tesla invests in Tulsa, that means all of the police cars in Tulsa will be Cybertrucks. I wonder how many police cars are in Tulsa and how many Cybertrucks therefore Tesla can sell to Tulsa Police Department. If anyone here is from Oklahoma or can do the research, or you are from Tulsa and you know how many police cars are there, please write in the comment section below so we know how many potential Cybertrucks sell to Tulsa Police Department we're talking about. Late last week, the Associated Press reported that Tesla has indeed narrowed down the field for its latest plant, Terafactory plant, to two finalists. Tulsa and Austin, Texas. The news service added that officials from the automaker had even visited two possible sites in Tulsa that week. In March, Elon Musk revealed that the company was scouting locations in the central United States for a factory where the upcoming Cybertruck electric pickup truck would be built. Shortly after the report, Barnum released a statement in which Tulsa's mayor, in which he said he saw a lot of similarities between Tulsa and Tesla. The mayor also suggested that Tesla would be unlikely to face any pushbacks in the city, unlike that which the company has faced in California during this virus outbreak. Musk has spent much of the last 2 months loudly complaining on Twitter about Alameda County's lockdown orders, which forced production of its Fremont factory to be halted for nearly 2 months. Now, while I cannot comment on potential projects, it is clear that Tesla and Tulsa were forged in the same spirit, the mayor wrote. Both founded by pioneers who dreamed big and made it happen, both trying to change the world with a new kind of energy, both investing big in what matters most. People, Tulsa is a city that doesn't stifle entrepreneurs. We revere them. And as Tesla continues to rapidly change transportation all around the world, it can't imagine a better place for them to further that important work at Greene County. While Barnum appears to be doing all he can to close the deal with Tesla, it remains to be seen whether his overtures will have any impact on the final decision. Last week, shortly after it was revealed that the automaker had sued Alameda County, Musk threatened to move his company out of California and relocate to Texas or Nevada. Shockingly, Austin's mayor didn't even need to promise to buy a fleet of Cybertrucks. But, I don't know. This is what Yahoo Live wrote. So, friends, let me know what you think about Tulsa's efforts. Do you think Tulsa has a chance? And how big is that chance? And what are the advantages of Tesla moving to Tulsa? Let us know in Oklahoma, and we'll look forward to bringing you more news as this is a developing story, and I will report them as it becomes available. As an official announcement by Tesla may be available in the next couple of days, this week or who knows when. Okay, friends, have a wonderful day. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. I'll see you in our next report. Take good care of each other these days and, stay safe. And God bless you, everyone. Have a great day.